Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to create an Apple account step by step so you can use the App Store, iCloud, Apple Music, and more. I'll cover the simplest ways from any device and share a few security tips to keep your account safe. Start by picking the device you want to create the account on. An iPhone or iPad is easiest, but you can also use a Mac or a Windows PC. On iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. Tap Sign In to your iPhone at the top, then choose Don't Have an Apple ID or Forgot It, and tap Create Apple ID. On a Mac, open System Preferences and click Sign In, then Create Apple ID. If you prefer a browser, go to appleid.apple.com and choose Create Your Apple ID. Next, fill in the basic information. Apple will ask for your full name, birthday, and a valid email address. You can use an existing email, or when prompted later, you can create a new @icloud.com address. Create a strong password that follows Apple's rules, at least 8 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and a symbol, and type it carefully. You'll also choose several security questions or set up account recovery options. These help if you ever lose access. Now you'll verify your email. Apple sends a verification code to the email address you provided. Open that message, copy the code, and enter it back on the Apple sign-up page. If you created the account on an iPhone or iPad, you'll likely be prompted to enable two-factor authentication. This is highly recommended. Two-factor adds an extra security step where Apple sends a 6-digit code to one of your trusted devices whenever you sign in on a new device. You may also be asked to add a payment method. This is optional for just creating an account, but if you plan to buy apps, subscribe to services, or use Apple Pay, add a credit or debit card or link PayPal. You can skip this and add payment details later in Settings or in the App Store. Once your account is created and verified, sign in across Apple services, App Store, iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime, and Apple Music. Go into Settings or System Preferences to confirm iCloud syncing, backups, and which apps use your Apple ID. Consider enabling iCloud Keychain to store passwords and setting up a recovery contact so you can regain access if needed. A couple of quick tips. Use a unique password not used anywhere else, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your trusted phone number and recovery email up to date. If you're creating accounts for family members, look into family sharing to share purchases and subscriptions safely. That's everything. You now have an Apple account ready to use across devices with the essential security settings in place so you stay protected while enjoying Apple services. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.